constitutionality.
Some experts in health law say they were surprised by the language Texas U.S. District Court Judge Matthew Kaczmarek used in his bombshell ruling last Friday, making the most widely used abortion pill unavailable nationwide.
The ruling reads like somebody who is a anti-abortion activist, not like a federal judge who is tasked with interpreting past law.
The judge wrote the drug mifepristone, quote, ultimately starves the unborn human until death, and that the second drug in the two-step regimen to terminate a pregnancy induces, quote, cramping and contractions to expel the unborn human from the mother's womb.
This has never happened where a federal judge is trying to enjoin the FDA's actions on a drug that has been on the market for over 23 years. Usually you would expect a lot of legal justification for it.
By filing their case in federal court in Amarillo, opponents of abortion rights were virtually assured Kaczmarek would hear it because he is the only judge there. Kaczmarek has been a federal prosecutor in North Texas and was the deputy general counsel for the conservative law firm First Liberty Institute when President Donald Trump nominated him to the federal bench.
First Liberty Institute is the largest national legal organization dedicated to restoring religious freedom for all Americans, with a heavy emphasis on all. I joined in 2014.
Democratic senators repeatedly questioned his past legal work and statements on LGBTQ rights, and one asked if he would bring his own religious beliefs into cases before him.
I don't serve as a legislator. I don't serve as an advocate for counsel. I follow the law as it is written, not as I would have written it.
The Washington Post reported that Kaczmarek has long held anti-abortion views, citing a picture where one of his children wore a t-shirt that said, "I survived Roe v. Wade." Some constitutional law professors say allegations he is biased are unfair.
There are lots of judges who bring their philosophical and political views to the bench, but it's only religious people who are charged with such a claim. I think there are problems with the judge's ruling, but I don't think that's because of his religious beliefs. I think he simply made judicial errors.
Whether the judge's politics played a role in his decision or not, it was the most consequential ruling against abortion rights since the Supreme Court overturned the constitutional right to an abortion last summer. The High Court is expected to eventually rule on Kaczmarek's decision. In Washington, Rina Diamante, Spectrum News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. And for more refreshing stories about your community, click the subscribe button right over here. You can also download our Spectrum News app to get live news coverage, weather alerts, and more wherever you are. And don't forget to tune in to Channel 55 on Dish and DirecTV for live local reporting every single day. We'll see you then.